Hello web designers, welcome to EduRay e-learning portal. My name is Reynold and this is lesson 1 of our content management system website design. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access your cPanel and installing a WordPress. Our lessons requires you to have an active domain hosting and access to your cPanel. To get started, let us first understand some of the important terms and application you'll be learning more about during our lessons. Domain is an address that is used to access your website. It's often referred to as a website address, e.g. eduray.co.za is a domain. Hosting is the process used by hosting service provider to make your domain accessible so that people visiting your website can be able to view the website pages. Website is a set of different web pages. These pages are located in a folder or file in a cPanel. cPanel is an online graphic user interface that allows you to host a website by uploading website pages. Also, you can create domain emails or webmail. WordPress is the most popular open source content management system that is used worldwide to design professional websites. It is free to install, deploy, and upgrade with thousands of plugins and different website templates. CMS or Content Management System is a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. WordPress needs to be installed before you can start to use it. That's why we need Softoclass, a commercial script library that automates the installation of commercial and open source web applications to your website. Now, let's get started.